Sharing with you 1 John 2:10. Anyone who loves their brother and sister lives in the light, and there is nothing in them to make them stumble. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us, because many times I heard brothers and sisters are fighting for their inheritance, are fighting one another. God said in the scripture, you have to love your brother and your sister. You have to trust God that He is working in your life. So stop quarreling, stop fighting each other. Instead, learn to love one another.